Good morning, student. I am Shankar Singh, science teacher. Welcome to e-learning classes. Today, our topic is electrostatics force. In previous classes, I discussed the topic of electrostatics. Means two things are discussed in electricity. First thing is a static charge and another is dynamic charge. Say some another say to some persons say to kinetic charge. So note deep in goes inside the dynamics and kinetic charge. I discuss the static charge. A static charge means that charge that is the stable charge, means say to that charge is are in rest, that charge are in rest. So that charge say to a static charge. When charge is movable one place to another places, that charge is say to dynamic charge. So that is in movement. If electricity come through the power grid, through thermal power station, through power grid and supply to our home industry, and that places that charge is, that electricity is movable. So that charge say to that is dynamic charge. When some experiment I taken a small piece of paper, that is a small piece of paper and rubbing, that is the such types of combs, that is combs. That combs are rubbing in our hair, rubbing in our hair. So that charge comes in the comb. So first I explain the two charges. Some persons say to three charges, but two charges is, first is positive charge, another is negative charge, that is positive charge, another is negative charge, and third one is say to that is the neutral charge. But I discussed the two charges, positive charge and negative charge, and that charge that it is denoted by Q, that is Q denoted by the charge, and charge Q is equal to N into E, that is number of electron. E equal to 1 electron equal to 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19. So number of how many electron are present in that charge. So that is say to Q is equal to Ne, that is charge. Charge is always in the form of a spherical type, that is form of a spherical type. If the charge are in plus minus, these forms are in the present of any spherical of charges. So that charges are available in the any spherical types of charge, and this charge also is the present in the spherical form. So that charge say to Q1 and Q2, that is one is our hair, one is say to our hair, another is say to that is comb. Then both are rubbing together, both are rubbing is together, such like that is comb type eye rubbing on the hair, and that is the paper, a small piece of paper, then contact to each other. So when rubbing the two charges are each other rubbing, then some charges gone in, that is say to A and that is say to B, that is A and B. That charges is positive charge and that charges is negative charge. So that charge is positively charged and negatively charged, and charges is outermost of a sphere. That charge is outermost of a sphere, means these types of charges are present here. These types of charges are present here in outer layer. In center the zero charges, such like positive charges, and that like negative charges in outer side. Inside the center that is no charge. When the rubbing of comb of our hair, then contact come to near a small piece of paper, then that papers are move upward direction. That is the move in attract that charge of that particle. So say that is it is not useful of a static charge. It is for on experimental charges. And again, that is I say to you the electrostatics force means say to I explain the charges of two charges Q1 and Q2, that is I say to A and B. If that is positive charge and that is negative charge. So when that is unlike charges, that is the unlike charges, one is positive charge, another is negative charge, that is attract together. That is attract means attraction between two charges Q1 and Q2. And when the charges is positive and if the charges is negative means that types of charges, that charges is unlike or opposite charge, that is like charge and similar charge, that is repel to each other, that is applied force these types and these types, that is distance, that is that force is this direction, attract to each other, that is repel to each other, and that is also repel to each other, that is A, B, Q1 and Q2, means similar charges that is repel to each other, and unlike charges that is attract to each other, and similar charges that is repel to each other, that is like charges, similar charges, and unlike charges attract to each other. That electric charge is conserved, that electric charge is conserved. It can neither be created nor be destroyed, only transform one form to another form when I rubbing the hair and comb, and elastic material on the rubbing in different material, so that is the charges transfer one form to another, means one thing in positive charges, another in negative charges. So that is the charge transfer, that is the force applied on two charges Q1 and Q2. That charges I say to that is electrostatic force. Okay, today, thank you.